Hello everyone, you are watching content by Nagraj. Today's headlines: India's April to December finished steel exports dropped 54% year on year. Skoda Auto India eyes double digit growth, targets 1 lakh units in sales by 2025. And group founder Jack Ma to give up control in key revamp. Despite inspired manufacturing show India's GDP to grow 7% this fiscal, says NSO. KreditBee raises $100 million in extended Series D from Advent International. Taming inflation top priority for South Asian nations, says RBI's Shaktikanta. Rupee rises 15 paise to 82.47 against US dollar. US job growth solid, unemployment rate falls to 3.5%. Sequoia-backed Bounce lays off 5% of a staff to cut costs. Oil firms making rupees 10 a litre profit on a petrol, rupees 6.5 loss on a diesel. US added 2,23,000 jobs in December, a slight easing in a pace. Indian small finance banks cheer easing bad loan ratio. SEBI permits AMCs to provide advisory services to all FPIs and IFSC. RBI to issue green bonds in two tranches of 8,000 crores. Proceed will be deployed in public sector projects which help in reducing the carbon intensity of the economy. Free farmers from state intervention to transform agriculture, says Dr. Buyback Debroy. Zydus launches generic anti-epilepsy drug in US market. Cerebrus drops pursuit of Apollo unit in India. Mercedes-Benz India to focus on a top end of luxury car market, eyes double-digit growth in 2023. Reliance makes open offer to acquire 26% stake in a Lotus chocolate. Indian government gets bids for majority stake in IDBI Bank. India and UK have strong will to finalize FTA, says London Dr. Mayor Rajesh Agarwal. Axis Bank remains leader in bond market for 16 consecutive years. Banks and financial institutions to play key role in funding NIP projects, says DFS Secretary Vivek Joshi. Taming inflation top priority for South Asian nations, says RBI Shaktikanta. Westbridge backed lead acquires persons K12 India business. Tea exports rises 18% in first 10 months of 2022. AISTA pegs India's 2022 to 2023 sugar production lower by 3.6%. Big boys took 1 billion bet on three sectors ahead of Q3 results. Sensex dropped 452.90 points, Nifty dropped 132.70 points. SEBI moves standardized approach to valuation of the investments portfolio of AIFs. Torrent bids 8,640 crores upfront for Reliance Capital. European Central Bank's Centeno says interest lays close to peak if no shocks. Weak prices stay firm as stock hits hold on to grain. Center receives a multiple preliminary bids for 61% stake in IDBI Bank. Fresh KYC process can be done through video, says RBI. Sanjay Mudilar joins India Overseas Bank as Executive Director. Mashari Global Network looks to ramp up India presence. Reserve Bank of India puts on hold NUE licensing. NARCL highest NPV bidder with rupees 5,555 crores offer in SREI resolution. RBI lifts curbs on Mahindra and Mahindra Finance for loan recovery through outsourcing. Andhra Pradesh government inviting Elon Musk, Tim Cook, Jeff Bezos for investor summit in Visakhapatnam. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and share my video.